Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase brand storytelling with Forever 21 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enhance brand storytelling with Forever 21, begin by identifying your target audience. Understand their interests, preferences, and values. This knowledge will guide the tone and content of your storytelling. Next, explore the brand's history and core values. Highlight key milestones that resonate with your audience. Create a narrative that connects emotionally with shoppers. Use relatable characters or scenarios in your storytelling. Incorporate visuals that align with Forever 21's vibrant and youthful identity. Utilize social media platforms to share your story. Engage with followers through polls, questions, and challenges. Encourage user-generated content that reflects their own experiences with the brand. Collaborate with influencers who embody the brand's spirit. Ensure they can authentically share your story to their audience. Consider seasonal campaigns that tie back to brand values. Craft stories that evoke feelings of nostalgia or aspiration. Optimize mobile content for easy access and engagement. Measure the effectiveness of your storytelling through analytics. Adjust your strategies based on audience feedback and engagement metrics. Consistency is key, so maintain your brand voice across all platforms. Always strive to inspire and connect with your audience through your brand's story. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.